young lady, she goes by the name of Davina Songbird. Nice, thank you for that one. Yeah, she's a poet from Nottingham. She's a singer, songwriter, spoken word artist, with words from the heart and topics such as self-love, self-worth, and knowing who you truly are. Tonight she's using a fusion of music and spoken word. She will take you on a journey of self-realization, making you reflect on your true inner self and how amazing it is to be you. Please, people, make some noise for Davina Songbird!
Still I Rise and Phenomenal Woman are the poems of my life. So this is for you, Maya Angelou. She spoke about rising 47 years ago as a response to the injustice that she saw. I speak of soaring decades later, for we are still searching for more. We're still facing those issues daily and suffering from adversity. But she, along with so many others, paved the way for us meant to be. Growing up wasn't so easy for me. I was confused, I was bruised by my own reality. Confined by the expectations of my family, defined by my environment. What did that mean for me? I had to be strong as a black woman, but not so strong that they'd fear me. I had to be bold to survive, but not too loud. I had to hide. Had to be confident to pull through, but calm that sass in case it offends you. Had to be black and show pride, but not so black, I get pushed aside. Had to be independent and strong, but depend on you just enough to be gone. Be knowledgeable and also wise, but don't ask questions, know when to apologize. Be fashionable and have some class. But don't too colourful now, not too sad. Smile, girl, mask that resting bitch face, but whoa, not too happy now, know your place. Dance, boy, and show that rhythm we know you have, but don't show yourself up now, are you mad? They expect your hair to be controlled, or they'll call you out, they can't be your wig, or the weave, take those extensions out. So let me get this straight, let's make sure I have this clear. You want to control my mind, like I meant to control my hair? Do you think that's fair? You want to control my soul, make me leave my history behind. Why should you care? So I have to change who I am, how I look, what I do. Why should you care? Too much, too little, never too much. If I'm too quiet, I'm useless, but too loud, and I'm too much. If I speak my mind, I'm opinionated, ostracized, and put down. But if I'm too loud, I should be quiet, pull down, or I drown. I stand up for myself. May you set rise. Are you standing? I said, open up your eyes. I'm demanding, listen to my story. All that I'm telling you, your life is in your hands. If you're anything like me, tell your story, fulfill your destiny, accept your glory. Don't listen to the noise, y'all. Rise up and take a stand. Or the sexiness, or the fact I dare to show. The fact I dare to believe it, to live free and honest and never settle for being less. Is it the confidence in my convictions, my audacity to resist? Is it my haughtiness and attitude, my sexiness and gratitude for the things my ancestors gave? The strength that came from being enslaved, the wisdom that seeped from the grave? Is it my will to never back down that scares? The way I fix my face and the nappiness of my hair. The shrinkage of my hair upsets you, but then you expect me to shrink and do what I'm told to. You expect me to keep small and keep behind you, to submit to society and what you believe to be true. Miss Angelo asked what offends you, what upsets you and makes you hate. But that question was never answered because you have no reason you can't relate. To my ancestors who came over by plane and boat to live a life and risk it all. Sacrifice so much for you to make us feel small. But I'll soar with no apology, be true to who I am and who I was brought up to be. But there is nothing that you can take from me, for I was raised to feel free. to travel and to overcome and to never hold back. Since on the journey to becoming me, it's only shame that I now lack. Do you know what it took to get me to this place? To the belief I have in you, to trials and tribulations and a willingness to not see what you see. To be told I wasn't special, to surrender to your games, to be judged and looked down on, and to be called I'm still soaring because the maze that rise. Are you standing? I said, open up your eyes. I'm demanding, listen to the story all that I'm telling. Your life is in your hands. If you're anything like me, tell your story, fulfill your destiny, accept your glory. Don't listen to the rise up and take a stand. Fortunately for me, unfortunately for them, my self-worth is in what I believe to be true. I'm free. According to them, that false facts were weak. I should be ashamed of who I am, not me. I feel proud of my hair, my looks, my history. I'm in awe of my past, my strength, my dignity. Nothing you can do or say can ever shame me, for I was raised to know my worth. Thankful to my mother and to hers before her. This strength was instilled in me. I'm blessed. Grateful for the fears I faced, the adversity. I stay true to who I am. I passed that test. I know who I am. I found what's best for me. I'm proud to say I can live my life honestly. Once you know your worth, you know, you see exactly who you are meant to be. You want them to say, who's she? Come together as a unit, come together as one. Be proud of yourself, face the adversity. They'll stand together and feel judged no more. For united we are together, we'll walk through those doors. But there comes a time when we have to say no more and stand up and show our worth. Know who you are, know where you're from. For if we stay together, we can never be wrong. Let's stand together and count for each other, and always know our worth. Little sister, listen to me. Love yourself and control your destiny. Take care and embrace your history. It gets easier, you will see. Little brother, search your soul. Realize you forever be whole. You're enough, I know it takes your toll. Don't let them see you lose control. Whatever you see in the mirror, say I'm worthy. No matter what they tell you, we're free. It's time to look at yourself and make the plea. It's my time to believe. Whatever you see in the mirror,
some noise for Davina. This one. Alright, say no more. Just a quick question. Simple question. Because obviously your piece was just one piece and like, there's so much references that I could take from it, even just the chorus. Oh. Beautiful voice, by the way. I'm going to try not to move, by the way. I don't want to pop.
Yeah.
What inspired the piece? Like, what inspired you to write that piece and put it together?
Maya Angelou is one of my poetry gurus, but as a black woman, there is so much we go through, and people, they think that we're sad if we have a little bit of a non-happy face on us, and they think that we're going through all kind of stuff, and they judge us, and it was my chance to say to you all, not only as from my experiences, to love myself, but to love yourself no matter what anybody judges. Forget about the world and what they think of you. Love yourself, put yourself first, because even if you have to look after other people, we have to put ourselves first and fill our cup. So it was very much just about, we have to, if we have love for ourselves and love for one another, then what can go wrong? The world will be a better place.
I hear that. Make some noise for that. Make some noise for that. Nice. Where can we find you?
So it's at Davina Songbird on all the socials. And I haven't released any music yet, but it's coming.
Yo, let me know about that, because the voices. Please make some more noise once again for Davina Songbird.